So now I'm going to pound my meat, my pork chop. So now it even became more wider after pounding. And for the pounding, it makes the meat more tender. So now let's marinate our pork chops. Let's add some salt. Our marination is really very easy. So we just added some salt. Place some pepper. Spread, spread, spread. And to give additional tangy taste, some calamansi. If you've got some lemon, much better. But since we are here in the Philippines, I have plenty calamansi here in my house. So I just took the seeds out, and now let's mix. We'll be leaving this for about 15 minutes for it to marinate. It's good to have it overnight, but since I am really in a hurry, I'll just be leaving it for about 15 minutes for it to marinate. And then we'll be doing the cooking later. Marinate, marinate, marinate. So I am adding now 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. Some dash of pepper. And let's mix together. So in a bowl, let's separate the egg white from the yolk. We will only be using the egg white for this recipe. Okay. So let's just put the egg white in our pork chops. And then let's just spread it evenly. This will make our pork chop more crunchier. So now let us coat our pork chops with the flour. We'll try to cover it evenly. We'll press it. I'm pressing it so that the flour could coat in our meat. So it's already coated now. And let's do the rest. We're using feta biscuits right now because I don't have any panko breadcrumbs, and we are under the enhanced community quarantine here in Cebu, so I'm using feta biscuits instead. It's good. It's really good, believe me. It's a very good substitute for panko breadcrumbs or Japanese breadcrumbs. You can use either sky flakes, magic flakes, or even any crackers you wanna use. So let's add in our pork now. coat it properly so it's evenly coated now. Let's prepare this for frying. So now our pan is hot with our oil. Let's put our pork chops inside. So I preferred not to put my pork chops while my oil is really that hot, so it's just sizzling a bit because I want my pork chops to be crispy. So let's be flipping this guy over. Oh, look at that golden brown, lovely golden brown. Look at that color. So 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, banana ketchup. One tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a dash of pepper, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and then mix all together. 1/4 cup of water, and mix, mix, mix. So let's heat our sauce in a pan. We'll wait for it to boil. So we just transferred our sauce in a pan and it's boiling. We will wait for it to reduce in a while and then our sauce is done. So this is our sauce now. It's boiling and it's evaporating. After a few minutes it's done and we'll top this in our pork chops.